Hey you guys, I'm so excited to hop on and review these really nice set of 4 camp chairs that I got sent. These are awesome and I love them. I feel like you can never have enough of these around your house. You always need them for sporting events, for camping, just to sit in your yard, and it feels like there's literally never enough. So I love this because it comes in a pack of 4, which is really nice. It gives you a great quantity, which I love. So I'm gonna highlight some of the awesome features of these, and then I'm actually gonna unfold one and show you guys how simple it is. So right here you can see I'm sitting in it. It's just your great standard size, which I love. And I love it because one side has a cup holder, which is a must-have for me. So nice to be able to have somewhere to put your drinks, your phone, your keys, whatever. But it's so nice to have a cup holder right here. These are super easy to fold up and unfold. So this is what it looks like without me sitting in it. It's got nice support here on the bottom, and it's just, again, like I said, a very simple and easy fold up. So I'm actually gonna come right here and take one out of the bag so you guys can actually see it here with me. So let me slide over here to the side a little bit. So right here we've got the nice cinch up, so you can tighten it and then you can tighten that down if you want to. And then super easy to get out of the bag. So they come with a carrying handle, which is super convenient. That way you're not trying to lug it around, you can just carry it with the handle. And then we'll put this right here and show you what this looks like when it unfolds. So super easy to unfold. Again, you've got the nice seat, plenty large. Absolutely love this. Like I said, this is a 4-pack of like your standard camp chair, which I absolutely love. So I love having these on hand. Really nice that you can get it in larger than a set of 1, so you're getting great bang for your buck. So if you guys are on the hunt for some new camp chairs, I highly recommend grabbing yourself a pack of 4 of these ones. Really nice chairs, good quality, super convenient and easy to use.